Security researchers at Manifold found two bugs in Claude for Chrome that let any other browser extension on your machine hijack it silently and make it read your Gmail, your Google Docs, your calendar. Anthropic's own internal tracking marked this fixed, then shipped 8 versions in a row with the exact same vulnerable code. Here's why this matters if you use Claude for Chrome or any AI browser extension with real account access. The thing standing between AI assistant and any extension on your machine can act as you turned out to be one missing security check and a permission mode most people don't realize they've turned on. Here's exactly how it works, what Anthropic said, and what to check today. The first bug is almost embarrassingly simple. Claude's content script listens for clicks on its own onboarding button and reads a hidden attribute off it to trigger one of 9 built-in prompts. The problem, it never checks whether that click actually came from you. Any page script, including one running inside a completely unrelated extension, can build a fake button, fake the attribute, and fire a synthetic click. Researchers demonstrated the entire bypass in 6 lines of JavaScript pasted into a browser console. 3 of those 9 hard-coded prompts touch real data, read your recent Gmail and flag promotional emails, open your latest Google Doc and read its comments, read your calendar, and find time to schedule a meeting. In Claude's default mode, that's rated a high-severity bug. If you've turned on Act Without Asking, Claude's silent execution mode, it's rated critical because there's no approval prompt left to catch the fake click. The second bug makes the first one worse. Claude's side panel reads a permissions flag directly from its own URL. If that flag says skip all permission checks, the panel boots straight into silent mode. No user click, no consent screen, nothing. Anthropic's legitimate internal task scheduler builds these URLs to launch pre-approved automations. But the panel trusts the flag no matter where the URL came from. Stack that with the fake click bug, and you have a real path to full silent execution with 0 human interaction anywhere in the chain. Manifold reported both bugs to Anthropic on May 21st against version 1.0.72. Anthropic's own tracking system marked the issue resolved before June 9th, then shipped 8 releases in a row, versions 1.073 through 1.0.80, with the content script and side panel handler byte for byte identical to the vulnerable version. Manifold retested version 1.080, released July 7th, and confirmed on July 14th that both bugs still work exactly as they did in May. Anthropic's response to the specific reports: the fake click bug was folded into a broader trust boundary issue that's still open, and the URL permissions bug was closed and marked informative on the reasoning that the URL is only ever built by the extension itself. That reasoning assumes nothing else on your machine can ever construct that URL, which is the exact assumption 6 lines of JavaScript just disproved. So here's what to actually check. If you use Claude for Chrome, open your extension settings and confirm Act Without Asking is off unless you specifically need it. That single toggle is the difference between a bug rated high and a bug rated critical. And right now, unpatched is unpatched either way.